Although N Perms are quite rare, they are quite easy to recognize, and they look the same from like every angle. That's because they have this 2x1 block here from every side. So yeah, and if there's a single corner followed by a 2x1 block, that means it's the NA perm. But if it is a 2x1 block followed by a single corner, it is the NB perm. Also, N perms only have opposite colors on its sides. So here we only have opposite colors, and here only opposite colors, and that's the same for all of its sides. So this is the NA perm, and the algorithm I use for this case is actually a variation of the JB perm. So it actually starts off with R prime U as 4 setup moves and goes into a JB. And at the end here, I just insert this F2L pair like that. With the NB perm, one option that you could do is to mirror what you did with your right hand onto your left hand. So starting off with the setup moves on the left and the J perm from the left. And once again, inserting this F2L pair like that. So if you're not a big fan of using your left hand for the NB perm, you could use this right-handed algorithm, and this algorithm may seem like just a bunch of random moves, but it's actually made up of a lot of different triggers so that it's actually quite easy to remember. So it starts off with an R prime, then into an inverse sexy, and then just imagine you want to insert this edge here with some F moves, then you want to insert this edge here with R moves. After that, you want to do an inverse sledge followed by a U prime R, and that's the algorithm. Now because N perms look the same from every angle, that means you could do the algorithm from every angle. So recognizing AUF is really important. So the way to recognize AUF is to look at the front 2x1 block here. So or this one. So for example, if I'm looking at this one, it's blue. That means when I finish the algorithm, blue is going to be at the front, so I have to do a U2 at the end. For this one, it's orange, so orange is at the front, so I won't have to AUF if I face this direction. Same AUF technique applies for the NB algorithm also, looking at the front 2x1 blocks. So this one here, it's orange, so orange will be at the front after the algorithm, so I won't have to AUF if I face this direction. So that concludes the PLL Made Easy video series. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.